So PeerSync is one of the components of GFS. What's the other component?
That will be PeerLink. So PeerLink is our collaboration product. Now, what do I mean by that? Because collaboration means lots of different things to different people. In our world, our customers do a lot of collaboration work on documents. These typically power users with, say, AutoCAD type of documents, drawings, etc.
And they're inherently difficult files for people to deal with, aren't they? Because they're not big and
yeah, they're very big. And if you've got global teams who are working on the same project together, they could be in different countries, and you've got all sorts of problems with latency. They're trying to send files over, and sometimes they just don't bother, and you end up with people working on the same document at the same time, and you get lots of overwrites. It could be very, very costly, because it could end up that the client gets a drawing at the end of this and there's inconsistencies. So our product helps to solve that, because we enable these project groups to work on the same project data at the same time as if in the same room. And we allow that data to be local through using our PeerSync product, so it never has to leave the site.
So in that scenario, people don't have issues with synchronization then?
No, they don't, because in essence, their data is always local. It's one of the benefits with our solution. So the usual way that these people try to deal with these sort of workloads is they send them to each other, and that can mean crossing some very, very slow links, so you get latency issues. So you can have other users waiting a long time to get this file, and then they've got to work on it and send it back. So we allow them to work on that data all at the same time, and we introduce a locking feature so that ensures that you can't have overrides.
And you just said there about how the data's in different locations and it's a local copy. Peer Software, by the name, suggests you're a software company. Are you interested in what the hardware is on in the branch office, or are you completely vendor agnostic there?
It's a really good question. So we are very, very independent. We're vendor agnostic. So we actually integrate into APIs for most of the major NAS vendors out there, including NetApp and EMC, as well as Windows file servers, and of course, more recently, Nutanix.
Okay, and typically those branch offices will have a Windows file server, probably doing domain services, print and things like that, which will be just integrating into that, and that will be where the data syncs to.
That's correct. We can install on a physical or virtual file server as quite a lightweight agent, and we have a management console that is overlooking the entire infrastructure there, so we can manage that environment.